At iFinance, we understand the importance of quick and seamless financing approvals for your clients. That's why we've developed cutting-edge technology that eliminates delays and provides immediate consumer financing. With our innovative financing solution, the process is seamless and can be completed on any electronic device. The whole process takes under 5 minutes, allowing your clients to get the financing they need quickly and effortlessly. Here's how it works. Step 1. Your clients can easily scan the QR code to access the application page. Step 2. Your clients will fill out the necessary information fields, providing essential details required for their application. Rest assured that our instant soft credit check won't impact their credit score. Our advanced technology provides instant decisions. Within seconds, they'll know if they are pre-approved for financing. Step 3. When pre-approved, clients will get an estimated interest rate and maximum loan amount. Clients must then consent to iFinance, pulling their full credit bureau to obtain a final decision instantly. Step 4. Once approved, they must validate their identity by connecting to their bank account using their financial institution credentials. This step will also allow us to confirm the income that was submitted in the application. Step 5. Clients must complete required fields such as the amount they wish to borrow, loan amortization, payment frequency, and payment dates. Once completed, a loan contract is created. For the final step, an email is sent to clients with a unique URL. Clients must click on this URL, enter a one-time code they will receive by SMS, and electronically sign the loan contract. This ensures a secure and efficient process for completing the loan application. Congratulations, it's that easy. For service providers, funds are transferred and disbursed to your business within 24 hours. No hidden fees, just fast and direct deposits. No more waiting. Your clients can secure their funds within minutes, allowing them to seize opportunities and achieve their goals, whether it's shopping online or in stores. Join the growing community of service providers. Visit our website or contact us today to unlock the potential of seamless financing solutions. iFinance. Simplify, serve, succeed.